Imagine being able to control your agent, your AI agent from your phone. And even better, imagine being able to train your AI agent on specific processes and specific goals that it could reference and repeat anytime you wanted to. Cowork is a product by Claude, the company is Anthropic, that is their agent. It runs on your local computer, gives you access to Claude's models, and candidly will probably blow your mind with the type of things it's capable of doing for you, especially since it's available on as little as a $20 a month subscription. Now, Cowork is an amazing tool, but the two things I want to talk to you about today that have been added really make it even better to use. Let's begin with Claude Cowork Project. Cowork projects are a bit different. Think of it as a workflow. So when you want to assign your agentic AI a workflow, a multi-step process that you want it to go through, where you want it to follow specific things in a specific order, you want to use Cowork and a project in Cowork. You can literally define, here's the steps I need you to take. Here's the relevant reference files I need you to do. It's almost like giving a comprehensive SOP to a team member that actually gets followed every single time. And it's really powerful. That's called the Cowork Projects. Now, those are amazing. But what's made it even more useful, one of the biggest complaints about Claude Cowork is it runs on your computer, and the computer needs to be on in order for it to run. You can run it on a separate computer, but unlike things like OpenClaw, Claude is very secure and much safer to install. But if I'm not at my computer, I have a really hard time getting it to do anything. Let's face it, we don't always have our computers with us and on all the time. Well, they've recently added another amazing tool, and it's called Dispatch. It allows you to connect this device, your mobile phone, directly to your Claude agent. And that means that instead of you having to be at your computer and tell it what to do, it's like having a full-time employee, actually better than full-time, works for you 24/7, never calls in sick, never has an attitude, and you can now control it and give it instructions and get feedback from your phone. So literally you can log in from your phone. You could just be out with the family and go, oh, I had this thought. I want to have my assistant, my Claude Cowork agent, go work on this for me. And with Dispatch, you can do that in seconds because Claude Cowork works for you 24/7 as long as your computer is on. So two brand new tools that I want you to be aware of. Claude Cowork. It's an incredible AI agent. It is different than some of the others, but it's an incredible place to start learning how to use agents. Projects inside of Cowork allow you, again, to keep comprehensive SOPs and frameworks that you feed to it that it will follow whenever you require. So again, imagine having a whole library of these that you've given to your Cowork agent, and it can follow them whenever you want. And then Dispatch, so that you can actually do it not only when you're sitting at your computer, but you can access and control and assign tasks, review tasks, everything else right from your phone. If you haven't tried it out, check out Claude Cowork. And if you'd like to learn more, check out my agentic AI training that's going on, where I'm covering not only Claude Cowork, but I'm going to be talking about Perplexity Computer. I'm going to be talking about OpenClaw, and I'm going to be talking about Manus Agent. Yes, we will also talk about a few other agents that are out there that are probably not worth mentioning. So we'll leave them off for right here. But if you want to do a deep dive into the agents, what they are, how they can help you with your business and your life, just make things so much better, and how to control costs, because costs can get out of hand. I was spending over $100 a day on Perplexity Computer. I'll explain how and why and whether it was worth it. But all of that I'm going to cover in my upcoming AI training. Take a look down in the links below and you can join us for that. If you've missed it, by the way, it's all right. We give you a full replay as well. So check out my agentic AI training. And if you haven't, check out Claude Cowork.